Ontario automotive cities have it all. Investment-ready sites, raw materials, battery mineral production, parts manufacturing, and auto assembly. Historic investments have positioned Ontario as a global electric vehicle manufacturing hub. Hi, I'm Rob Burton, Mayor of Oakville and Chair of Ontario's Auto Mayors. Ontario's Auto Mayors provide concierge service to the auto industry. We work with all levels of governments to make sure auto investment gets speedy, efficient approvals. Ontario's auto cities have the best locations for new investment and ready access to domestic and global markets. Ford in Oakville, General Motors in Oshawa, Ingersoll and St. Catharines, Stellantis in Windsor, Honda in Alliston, and Toyota in Cambridge and Woodstock are transforming their Ontario assembly plants to focus on tomorrow's battery electric vehicles the world needs. The future of Canada's auto industry is electric. Ontario has a world-leading auto assembly industry. We've created a strong and vibrant supply chain. We can support your new investment in the Ontario auto industry. Join us. Be part of Ontario's electrifying future.